girl only Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't be shy and hit that subscribe, and if you're cool, hit the like button too. So today I will be creating this look here. Everything that I'll be using will be in the description box below, so if you're wondering what I'm using, just take a look down there and everything will be listed for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So let's just get right into it. What's poppin', guys? As you can see, I already did my eyebrows just because I just wanted to get straight to the makeup, y'all. So I already did my eyebrows and I'm going to put some concealer on my eyes first just so I can get a good base for my eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying soon. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the most vibrant red in my palette, and I'm going to go ahead and load it into my brush as much as I can. And I use the kind of fluffy brush for this, and then I'm just going to apply it right to the inner creasing of my eye. And I'm not going to like deliberately try to bring it all the way over because I don't want it to be all the way over, but I am gonna, like, you're gonna want to blend it out, so use circular motions as you're applying it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some concealer, and now I'm going to start creating a cut crease. Now with this cut crease, you don't want to bring it all the way across your eye, because when you go to blend the concealer that you put on your eye for this cut crease, it's just going to, you want the tail of it to blend out. So don't bring the concealer all the way across your eye. And now you blend it. Okay, so now I'm going to use like a bronze colored eyeshadow that I could find in my palette, and I'm just going to put that where I created the cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to put my white cream eyeliner on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take a real fine brush and just dip it into the cream white eyeliner. And as you can see, I'm going to start creating a line that pretty much is going to be in between where the red is and where the cut crease begins as well. Now this part you guys can skip because I actually was originally going to do like a white lining between the red and the cut crease, but I just didn't like the way the white was looking. So as you guys will eventually see, I did just change directions and just do black, and honestly I liked it the way the black came out a lot better than how the white was coming. Okay, so now I'm going to take the black eyeliner and go ahead and make those lines in my crease. Now I'm just going to move into doing my eyeliner. I wanted to do a wing, but the first line I drew, I just felt like it wasn't dramatic enough for me, so I had to redo that wing. And yeah, and once again, you guys, what you do on your eyelid as far as your eyeliner goes, it's not going to matter that much just because your lash is going to cover it up. So as long as your wing is good, you're good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some primer down on my face and get ready to put down my foundation. Once I put down the foundation, I'm then going to move into the contouring of my face, and I'm going to start with the dark first, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my cheeks and my forehead and on my nose, and then I'm going to move into the highlighting with my concealer, and I'm going to put that, of course, under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Okay, so now we're going to move into doing the lashes, and I'm going to put that lash glue on the actual lashes, of course, but then I'm going to also want to line my eyelid with that lash glue too. Ladies, if you do not want your lashes to go anywhere, and I mean nowhere, you should put your lash glue on like your eyelid too, and I promise you it's good. Like when you go to put the lash on, it's just going to pop on your eyelid so easy, and it's not going to go anywhere all night. Your lashes won't come off until you take them off. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that eyelash glue to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and further highlight the highlighted areas on my face. Now that the eyelash glue is tacky, I'm going to go ahead and just pop my lashes right on. Now, after I wiped off that powder, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lash line, just because I want them to be slightly exaggerated. You know, And then I'm going to go ahead and move right into my lips. I'm going to line them with a brown liner, and then I'm going to slightly color in my top lip, and then I'm going to only color in the side of my bottom lip. Then I'm going to go in with this nude gloss, and then I'm going to go ahead and just blend that into my lip. And now we're all done. Okay guys, well that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Once again, everything that I used in this video will be listed in the box below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.